In today's interview, I had the pleasure of interviewing our client, RJ. RJ went from zero to making over $1,300 per month passive from his YouTube automation channel within just 3 months of starting this channel. And now he's started multiple other channels with the same intention of making thousands and thousands of dollars per month from those as well. And we kind of deep dive into what he's doing, the mindset it took to get there, and what you could do going forward when getting started with YouTube automation. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get into it. All right, we have our client RJ here. He is our Cashflow Channels client, and he built his YouTube automation channel that's now doing very successful. He's hitting consistently $1,000 months, and I believe, RJ, you said this month you're on track to hit close to $1,200 with your channel.
Yes, the last month it was to $1,300, and this month is going to be $1,000. Yeah.
Very nice. Awesome. And how long ago? I don't remember when you joined Cashflow Channels. I think it was like a year ago, right?
Yes, I joined a year ago, and something happened mid between, like the family stuff, so I was not that much focused, but I had my YouTube channel. So
Okay.
I found a team, which is like I hired the manager, and manager, he was very good with the YouTube. He started uploading all the videos. I just give them all the roadmap, what to do, how to do, which what I need, and he got it everything. So he has like a kind of like a video production team.
Wow.
So yeah, so he normally manages everything. The channel is under my name, but
That's
he,
awesome.
yeah, he mostly manages it, and I just pay him. Yeah.
So you fully, I mean, you took it to the next level. You fully automated basically at this point.
Yes, you're right. Yeah.
Awesome. And at first, was it like that, or how was it at first? Because I know our team helped you hire some
Yes.
talents, and
Mhm. Yes.
how did you transition, I guess, and to the
So
full-time
we did,
automation?
yeah, so we did, we hired some of the freelancer from Philippines, script writer. So, first of all, we had freelancer video editor, and then he worked some time, and then he said he need to leave, then I need to hire someone else. So that guy, he was very good. But it's still, I had a 9 to 5 job, still I have 9 to 5 job. So I was not that much focused. I was looking for something where team is doing all the works, and the manager, they are managing everything. I was looking, because I know that like there is already a script writer, the video editor, and the voiceover, everything is there. Just only missing part was the manager.
Okay.
So this contact, I mean, I found some team in the India. I mean, Philippines, India, Pakistan, we have from wherever talent is, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I had them from India, and I'm from India also. So I just got more connected with them and hop on the call. They understand me, my channel, my process, and everything. And that's how our channel start generating more money. Yeah. So it's all about the automation. It doesn't matter where you're hiring.
For sure, for sure. As long
Yeah.
as the talents are good. Okay,
Yes.
so interesting. You have a 9 to 5. So tell me, like, because I would say that most of our clients have 9 to 5s or a current something that they're doing during the daytime. Is it difficult to manage the business while also doing the 9 to 5, or how did you make that work? Because I think a lot of people are wondering that, like, is it really automated, or is it something I could do with a 9 to 5?
I mean, it still is doable, like it's always when it's term YouTube automation, whenever it's terms called YouTube, then we always think about a little bit long term. So starting, yes, it will take, I mean, your course, you are giving everything to follow people to get success. But if people, they will not follow that thing, your guidance and everything, it will not work. So, as per your question, 9 to 5 job, yes, it is doable, because after 9 to 5 job, you have some time, 2, 3 hours, to do work on your side hustle.
Mm,
So that's how I was doing that. I had a team. I always, you had all the system. You all literally give it to us everything to run a successful business. Just we have to plug and play.
Right,
So
right.
yeah, I mean, definitely, in a nutshell, yes, we can do that.
Nice. Yeah, and it shows like you followed it to the T, you got results. I mean, it's just kind of like it's not that I know it's going to happen, but it's almost like an expectation like if you follow it, I yep, the results are going to show. And I
Yeah.
finally, we saw that with you. So I guess walk us back like the period where your channel wasn't, how long has your channel been making close to, let's just say, about one, how long did it take to get above like $500 a month?
So what we did in 2 months, I had like a $3-4 start making on the third month this year. In the March, we started that channel, the new channel. I
Mm,
started because I know that all the process, how to get all the subscribes and everything. So now we got the monetize, and it took 2 months for to make that channel, and after that, it's consistent more than $1,000 making right now. It's a brand new
wow.
5,000 subscriber. Yeah.
Oh wow. So this was your second channel,
Yes,
right?
this
Brand
second
new
channel.
channel.
Yes,
And okay, so within a few months, you're already
yes,
hitting $1,000 months.
yes.
Wow, that's pretty crazy. I mean,
Yeah.
I've obviously like I've seen it too with clients because they'll do their first channel and maybe they mess up or
Yes.
they kind of fall off, but they know
Mhm.
the process and they're like, okay, I'm going to hit this a second time and I know exactly what to do and what mistakes I made last time. And usually the second channel is more profitable.
Yes, yeah. Definitely, you're right.
Awesome. Awesome. What I guess are there any new tools that you're using? Any AI tools? Are you um I guess exploring kind of the new stuff that's out there because everyone's talking about like AI and how do we implement it into YouTube? Are you exploring that yet or not yet?
So I more focus on giving them more tasks to find out something for me, because I literally leverage them all their times. Like I just give them, hey, I'm just planning to open the channel. You guys just do research and come to me, and give me the channel like what niche is growing, like which niche is like they have a little bit good team, so they
Mhm.
do all the research and they have also client. So if something is working for their client, they suggest me also, hey, we are working on this niche, do you want to invest, like do you want to open same niche channel kind of things. I said yes, why not, if working for someone else and you guys are managing it and you guys giving them results, so why not me? So now
Yeah.
we have like a 2-3 channels. I'm working on that.
Oh,
Yeah.
very nice. Very
Mhm.
nice. Awesome.
Yes.
So they do all the work. They're taking care of that for you to where you don't even have to think about, do I need to
No.
implement AI? The team's just going to taking care of it.
You're right. Yeah, it's like you just invest and then just wait for money rolling, in your account.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, that's crazy because you pretty much have it to where the level that I have it as well. Like at this point, I'm not even managing the team. Like I have a manager for the team
Yes.
and
Mm-hmm.
it's I mean I overlook, yeah, how much is the channel making, but so that's great that you were able to get to that point. Because I feel like most people give up before then, like most people don't even let themselves get to that point. So what is your experience with, I guess, business and side hustles or entrepreneurship? Like, is this the first business model you ever tried, or have you tried others before?
No, so I've been in this business 3 years, 3 to 3 years. Yeah, 2020. Uh, I work in the hotel. I had a hotel management degree. I work for the all the brands, the hotels. So I'm the food and beverage manager in the hotels who take care
Mhm.
of the restaurant, bar, and banquets hall. So that was my job. But when COVID hit, I lost my job. So and that time I was thinking what to do. And I had a newborn baby girl that time in the March 2020. I
Oh
had a new
wow,
girl and I lost my job same time. So
that's
it was
crazy.
like a happy also, and sometimes I'm like a sad also. I don't have any job,
Yeah,
So that time I start thinking about what I have to do. So I was just scrolling on TikTok or something. But first, my online side hustle is affiliate marketing, and I
Hmm.
had a couple of award back there, like a different company. They give me all the awards. I hope you heard about legendary marketer or
Yep.
Jonathan Toya, Dave Sharp. So
Yep.
I was promoting their course, so I got good success with that. So I made
Nice.
money. Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, no, I remember even back when I was promoting Legendary. I think we've joined maybe the same time. I was like early 2019, so it was a
Oh,
few
okay.
several years back, but I do remember that. That's awesome. So you made some money affiliate marketing. You obviously like you figured it out during COVID. Like everything happened in your
Yes.
life. I'm sure people can relate, especially at that time. And then you said, you know what, I'm gonna figure this out. Boom, made some money with affiliate marketing, and
Yeah.
now you rolled some of that money into YouTube automation.
Yes.
Okay. Awesome.
Correct.
Wow. I mean, thank you for sharing that story because I'm sure that'll inspire some people too. Like, you know, some people may have some challenges right now, but there's always people out there like you're an example that have been through challenges themselves too,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
push
I
through.
mean, I always try to do something, I know that I mean, I have a 9 to 5 job, but my goal is that to this year or maybe next 5 years to quit my job through and be in the online. So last year I was there in the FHL. I think I didn't met you, but I was there in FHL. I think you were there in the FHL.
No, I haven't been. I haven't been yet, but I did want to. I kind of wanted to go to be on the stage with the Two Comma Club Award,
Yes. Yeah.
um, but I opted out. Maybe we'll go this year. If not, definitely next year. I got to at least attend one of them. We'll go
Yeah.
together.
Yeah, I'm going this year. So
Nice.
yeah, and it's nice journey, like online space, learning from all the big like Dan Henry and all these things. So it's really nice space, and you have also your mindset change. Once you come in the business, so once we enroll in the coaching and course, so our mindset is like a still employee mindset. So
Hmm.
but we don't think like as a business. We think like oh, we will put this month $1,000, so next month it should be 2,000 and $3,000 come. But that's not a reality. You need to understand the business, put your hard work, understand first business, and give your time, learn that things. That's how it's gonna take it to next level. It's not like a 1 month 2 month. If you don't see, please don't be a hopeless. I mean, I started 3 years ago, but always we learn something every day. I didn't know that what is YouTube automation. I didn't know that affiliate marketing, but down the road we learn something. So yeah, I
Yeah,
will say, please don't give up. YouTube is long term. Just give at least yourself. If you stuck I mean, you are always there, like answering all the, I mean, questions, all the calls, you are already there. You are auditing all the channels and everything. So you are supporting it. You are giving all the tools and to get them success. Just they have to plug it and plug and play.
for sure.
Yeah.
What I
Mm.
guess on that topic about mindset, business mindset in particular, what was one thing that helped you with the business, with having that business mindset, or something you learned from Cashflow Channels? Was there something that also contributed? Because I know you've taken a lot of other programs as well that have probably helped you in some, gave you that one golden nugget. Would you say there was maybe a golden nugget that you learned from Cashflow Channels?
I mean, everything I learned, like the cash flow channels, I never knew about about the YouTube automations. I mean, I
Hmm.
I had my personal YouTube, but I never think about to making a faceless 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever channels we can make it. So whatever I learned from your cash flow channel.
Oh,
So
awesome.
everything, yeah, I mean, I was there in the affiliate space, but I was not in the YouTube automation. So definitely, whatever I learned, everything from your course and your all the expertise. Definitely,
Cool. I
yeah.
appreciate that, RJ. Well, I'm glad because it's definitely something I wanted to share. Because I was doing this book before anyone even knew. Like I was just kind of hush hush about it. And then in 2020 is when I kind of decided, okay, I think I think we could teach this. I think we could help other people get results too, because I finally perfected my own system, going through all the trials and tribulations. Awesome. I guess what would be one piece of advice you would give to someone thinking of getting into YouTube automation or just getting started? Yeah, what's one piece of advice you'd say?
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people, a lot of business, it's ask you to be in the front, but this business, you literally don't have to. You just have to leverage the people, like, must come with the right mindset. If you're not coming in the right mindset, just attend some call, and then you will ask them. So my one piece of advice is like a just business cost, time, money, effort, three things. You have
Mhm.
to give them business. So time definitely you have to give, money also you have to put in, and effort. So without three things, it's not going to work. So you
Yep.
have, yes.
100%. And I think some people are scared to give maybe one of those three. Maybe the time is, oh, I don't know if I have enough time, or maybe the money, but because we both know we've put in a lot of money, a lot of effort, a lot of
Yeah.
time, but now we're here and we're able to support our families and enjoy, the fruits of our labor.
Yes.
So,
I mean, like I just think about working for someone else for like a 35, 40 years, just give you a
yeah,
3, 4 years here, and everything game will be changed, you don't have to. So yeah, it's all about the mindset. And if you don't have anyone they are coming with, they don't have mindset, read one book, Rich Dad Poor Dad. I read it. That was my first book. I read it like a twice. It makes
hmm,
more sense. Whenever I read that book or listen that book, it makes me more knowledgeable, like a more entrepreneurship and more, you know, about the changing your mindset. I mean, there's a lot of millions of books out there, but I will suggest you guys, whoever is watching live, just go ahead. And it's literally free book. You can download online or you can just buy from Amazon. Just read one time and it will open your eyes about the
yep.
business and everything. Yeah.
100%. I've read it as well. Awesome, RJ. I appreciate you sharing your story and your journey so far. I mean, this is just the beginning.
Thank you, guys.
Hitting $1,300 months. I mean, you're gonna soon be. I mean, you have a few other channels too, so I'm sure you'll be hitting 4K, 5K, 10K. It's just a matter of time.
Thank you. Yeah, I mean, once you know the process, like when I was doing affiliate marketing, then sometime you learn about the social media thing. But I had like a TikTok, they banned it. But I know the process, how to get the engagement, how to get the customer. I can open like a 10, 15 TikTok channel and I can get same amount of engagement, just
Yeah.
the process, and you are giving them all the tools to get success. So if one channel is not working somehow is something, work on the second channel, just
Yep.
work. Yeah.
100%. Awesome. All right, RJ, I appreciate you hopping on. Definitely going to have to do another follow up maybe in a few months, see how you're
Sure,
doing,
yeah, I
how
will
the
update
channels are
you.
doing. And yeah, that would be awesome. Awesome, everyone. Make sure to check out RJ. I think, RJ, do you have a personal YouTube channel that you upload
I
to?
have, but I stopped uploading videos. But
Okay.
yes, I
Well,
have. Yeah.
I'm sure people could check out some of your older videos.
Sure, yeah, sure.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
All right,
Appreciate
thank
it.
you.